Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I will explain how you can predict the next candle without using any indicators or any support and resistance. So, those who are new here and want to join us, the link is available in the description. Go and check it out. If you have any topic suggestions, comment down below. Let's move on to the video. I have already made lots of videos where we discussed SNR, EMA, and RSI. I have also made many videos where I combine two indicators, but in this video, I am not using any type of indicator or any type of SNR, so let's start. Basically, I am using just one candle. I am watching only one candle, and if that particular pattern happens, you can predict the next candle. There is a pattern that can give you a very high probability of winning. I wouldn't call it a sure shot pattern, but there can be a 90 to 95% chance of winning the trade if the setup is taken correctly. So let me share an example. Here, you can see a red candle that engulfed the previous candle. After that, you can see a green candle that left a wick on the downside, so you can proceed for a downside move on the next candle. Basically, if one candle engulfs the previous candle, and after that you see an opposite side candle that leaves a wick in the continuation direction, you can proceed with a trade in the continuation direction. Let me share another example. Make sure that this setup happens in the direction of the trend. Here you can see that the red candle engulfed the previous one. After that, you can see a green candle that left a wick on the downside. You can proceed for the downside move. You can see many live examples here. Here you can see a green candle forming. After that, you can proceed for the downside move. So this is how you can predict the next candle. Mostly, this type of trade has a high probability of winning. However, I am not suggesting that you put all your money into one trade. Pretty. Please make sure that you always trade with proper money management. So that's it for this video. I didn't find a suitable live example, so I wasn't able to show you a live trade. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any doubts or suggestions, you can comment down below. Till then, see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.